At Mon Valley School, students put their creativity to work in the new Manufacturing and Design pre-vocational program. In Manufacturing and Design, students learn printmaking and design in various formats, including designing, cutting, and heat pressing designs onto apparel, and sublimating on various items, including mugs, shirts, tumblers, and earrings. Students in Manufacturing and Design have created numerous items for school spirit, such as hats, shirts, and even sports jerseys for their basketball and bocce teams. To learn more about Mon Valley's vocational programs, ask your local educational agency's special education director about Mon Valley School, and check out our website aiu3.net/Mon Valley.